Are you guys ready to try this?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I wish I made more. That was so good. What's going on, food lovers? Crispy fried enoki mushrooms is what we're making today. Let me show you how to make this. So let's get started. So here I have 1 pack of enoki mushrooms. We are going to cut the roots off, then give it a nice wash. Once it's washed, we're going to separate the enoki mushrooms in small batches, just like this. Then you're going to want to get yourself some seaweed wrap paper. Here I have the pre-roasted one that comes with olive oil and a little hint of salt. 1 sheet of that, and we're going to slice it down into strips just like this. Then once we get them all into strips, we're going to turn it sideways and cut those in half. So once we're done cutting all the seaweeds into strips, next up we're going to add water into a bowl, which we will be dipping our seaweed wrap into to soften the wrap in order to roll it onto the mushroom. Once you completed wrapping all the mushrooms with seaweed paper, put that to the side, and we're going to begin making our batter. So in a bowl we have 1 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I actually put 2 right here and it came out just a little bit salty, so try 1 first. Next up we have turmeric, 1 tablespoon of that for beautiful colors and many health benefits. Give that a mix, and right into our next step, which is battering the mushrooms. Here we're just simply dabbing it into the water, then right into our dry batter. I like to do it this way, so that way the strands of mushrooms won't stick together. So the water is just basically coating every strand of the mushroom, and then the batter will just cling on to that. See, it doesn't stick together. And right after that, straight into the fryer. Alright guys, so we just got done cooking the enoki mushrooms. Take a good look at it. How's that look, guys?
That looks
looks
amazing.
awesome.
Kind of look like french fries.
Yeah.
Okay, so take a look.
They look like trees almost.
There, you can see that. See. Alright, go ahead. Alright, ready? Count 3. 1, 2, 3. Go.
It's so crispy.
Mmm. That texture is amazing.
That flavor. I see we came off.
It sounds very typical when I say it, but this tastes like chicken, but a lot better.
Yeah. It's the chicken bouillon that I add into this. So this gives it really good flavor. So this is a sauce I got for dipping. You can use any kind of sauce you would like. Extremely spicy. This is a Laotian dipping sauce. We call it gel som. I will have a video of that in the future. I'll show you how to make that. Very traditional. A Laotian favorite. So I'm going to try this with the sauce, okay?
How is it?
Amazingly good. Spicy, sour, and then the flavor from that. You want to try another one?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead. Be my guest. Eat it all up. Oh, the pepper's kicking in. The pepper's kicking in. The crunch, guys. For real.
Mmm.
Oh,
Good.
is it?
It's sweet. It's spicy.
Mm-hmm.
It's crunchy.
That sauce is always a deal breaker for me right there. You know? Sometimes the food is kind of like not so flavorful, you know? But if you have an amazing sauce, it makes a world of a difference. For real. For real, for real. I got a baby one. See, so the way I battered it, so it doesn't stick together. See that?
Mm-hmm.
So you can taste each individual mushroom. And for presentation purposes too, so. Show the baby one? Since you're a baby. There you go. Let you have that. Cam, how about me and you break half of this one?
Alright.
There you go.
Thank you.
Bottoms up.
Honestly, this thing is like a chicken, but it's like a chip. It's like an extra crispy chicken.
You're right. It's just like a chip.
Mm-hmm.
Chip. Very good snack. Crispy, delicious.
This is good.
I like it. Definitely give this recipe a try at home. It will not disappoint. Guaranteed. Man, I wish I made more. Okay, I wish I had made more. That was so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this recipe a try. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will catch you guys next time. Be sure to subscribe for more future content and amazing food.
Yep.
Eddie Vong say with the family. Signing off. Bye.
Bye.